Welcome to aminacademy.com in Aluminium Bird, construction and working of an aeroplane engine. A turbojet engine is a powerful and widely used aircraft propulsion system that operates on the principles of the jet propulsion. It is renowned for its ability to generate tremendous thrust, propelling aircraft through the skies with remarkable speed and efficiency. The heart of turbojet engine lies in its ingenious design, which involves compressing and igniting air in a continuous cycle to produce a high-speed jet of exhaust gases that drives the aircraft forward. The turbojet engine, a hallmark of aviation evolution, propels aircraft by drawing in air, compressing it, and igniting it with fuel. This combustion accelerates the exhaust, generating thrust through outperformed by newer designs, and turbojets remain vital in aviation history for their pioneering role in high-speed flight and aerospace advancement. What is a turbojet engines? The turbojet engines, an advanced closed-cycle gas turbine, finds widespread application in aircraft and various other industries. It burns fuel and uses essential components such as the compressor, turbine, and propeller to generate powerful thrust. The compressor compresses incoming air, and the fuel is then ignited in the combustion chamber to produce high temperature, high velocity exhaust gases. These gases expand through the turbine, driving both the compressor and, in some cases, the propeller to further exhaust the engine's efficiency. Now, let us discuss further about the construction and working of an aeroplane engine. This is the inside part of the turbo engines. This is a compressor. First compress the air and injector, the fuel injector. Here combustion chamber surrounds, and this is a gas turbine and jet exhaust nozzles, that high speed exhaust gases go out, that is thrust produced forward. A plane engine, or more specifically a jet engine, converts fuel energy into thrust through a process of compression, combustion, and expansion. The engine draws air, in air, compresses it, mixes with fuel, ignites the mixture, and then uses the resulting hot, high pressure gases to spin a turbine. This turbine is connected to the compressor, allowing for a continuous cycle. There are more detailed breakdown in this. The first construction, intake. The engine draws in air through a front opening or intake compressor. The air is then compressed by rotating blades like a fan, increasing its pressure. Combustion chamber. The compressed air is mixed with the fuel and ignited, creating a high pressure, high temperature gas. Turbine. The hot gases from the combustion chamber are directed towards the turbine, with spins at the gases pass through. This turbine is connected to the compressor, providing energy to keep the compressor running. Nozzle. The hot, high pressure gases are then expelled through a nozzle at the back of the engine, creating a powerful stream of exhaust. In airplane engines, the nozzle is the final stage responsible for converting the hot exhaust gases from the turbine into a high velocity jet, which generates thrust. It also regulates the mass flow rate of the exhaust gases. The nozzle's design and shape, whether convergent convergent divergent or coannular depends on the engine type and flight conditions. Exhaust. The exhaust gases provide a thrust pushing the engine and aircraft forward. How that exhaust work? Air intake. Air intake. The engine draws in air which is then compressed by the compressor. Compression. The compressor increases the pressure of the air. Combustion. Fuel is injected into the compressed air and ignited, creating a high pressure, high temperature gas. Turbine rotation. The hot gases from the combustion drives the turbine, which in turn drives the compressor. In an aeroplane engine, the turbine spins due to the high energy airflow from the combustion chamber. The spinning turbine connected to a shaft then drives the compressor and the fan at the front of the engine, ensuring the continuous cycle of air intake, compression, and combustion. Thrust generation. The exhaust gases are expelled through the nozzles, creating a thrust that propels the aircraft forward run. So far, we discussed little about how the aeroplane engine works. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.